A new wave of AI promises to write our code for us. But is it all hype? Let's dig in.
When the AI developer Devin dropped, the hype was off the charts. Industry leaders were seriously impressed.
The promise? Devin could do it all. Build websites, fix bugs, and even learn new tricks on its own.
Okay, but what's the magic here? To really get their limits, we need to see how they think.
See, these aren't just chatbots. They're systems that can reason, plan, and actually do things. It's basically a loop. It uses its tools, remembers what happened, and then plans its next move.
Demos are one thing, but how do they perform on a standardized test? Let's look at the numbers.
On a tough, real-world benchmark, Devin independently fixed almost 14% of the problems.
That score blew past older models, which barely hit 5%. No wonder everyone was talking about it.
But hold on, is that really what software development is? Just fixing one-off bugs? Not exactly.
The real world is about evolution, constantly changing and improving, and that's a way harder problem. So, a new benchmark called SWEVO was made to test this bigger, more complex challenge. And this is where it gets wild. On these harder tasks, the best AIs see their performance just plummet.
That's a huge gap between the hype and the reality. It really shows us where their limits are today. The number one reason? They just can't follow long, detailed instructions. They solve the wrong problem.
And the complexity jump is massive. Longer problems and way more files and code to change.
So, what does this all mean? AI is an amazing co-pilot, but it's not ready to fly the plane alone.
The future is all about collaboration. It's about people and AI working together to build amazing things.
So AI is getting the science of coding down pat, but the real question is, can it ever learn the art?